So you create the heart, and I'm back with another project share. So this one is using the triple slim layering stencil from Tailored Expressions. And so I have been using all of my layering stencils. I think I might have used them all. I'm not sure, all the holiday ones. I just did not have time to get to everything that I had bought this year holiday-wise, so that's kind of a bummer. Just ran out of time. So the way that this stencil works is there's 4 stencils. You have a piece of paper. You cut your panel at 5 3/4 by 9 3/4. And then you go ahead and you stencil your different colors, inks, pastes, whatever. And then you go ahead and you cut your panels in 3, and you end up with 3 different mini slim sized panels. And you can just make 3 mini slim cards, which is what I did. And I used a stamp set from Tailored Expressions. It's a holiday sentiment stamp set. It's got 3 sentiments in it, and a die. But I didn't use the die. I just stamped right on there. So this one just says Season's Greetings. And I used for my last layer, I used some glitter paste. So there's some glimmer in there. You could do it this way if you wanted to lay your card. You could lay your card this way if you wanted, or this way. But I opted to do it this way, and I actually like it. So, you know, you have options though. And then this one right here. So it's like a tree. And then this one with a really pretty bird. And so just really simple and easy way. I didn't do anything really crazy with these cards except layer them and then just stamp right in black the sentiment. I mean, these ones were pretty easy. It was just a matter of letting the paste dry. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.